Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you Spotify something went wrong or how can you easily fix that issue. If you're using Spotify and you're having this type issue that your login fail or something went wrong, so let's see how can you easily fix that. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and once you have that, you have to try to disconnect with your VPN. If you are connected, so open up your general in settings, then go for VPN and device management, and here you have to make sure that you haven't connected to any VPN. And once you have that, you have to try to re-log into Spotify. Simply tap on Spotify app, then tap on sign up for free, or here you have to continue with email, or if you're trying to log in, simply select the login option and here select continue with email, and here you have to select login without password. You must have to select the third option. You have to try to no enter your password and select login without password, and here you must have to enter your email or Gmail, and once you have that, you have to tap on send link. Once you have entered your Gmail, select the send a link option, and here you have to open your email app and then select Gmail, and here you have to make sure that you're gonna log in with the same Gmail account, and you have to wait for the Spotify option, then select the Spotify, and here you have to tap on this link and it will automatically log in your account. So that's how you can easily fix something went wrong on Spotify login on any phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.